Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a BAT file and immediately set it echo off so output stays readable. Open Notepad, type simple commands like echo hello and pause, then save as miscript. BAT. Once done, run it from an elevated CMD to confirm permissions. Make sure to place commonly used tools on path so calls work anywhere, and test with a quick dire or echo to validate the runtime environment before adding complexity. You now add inputs and control flow to make the script useful. Read %1 and %2 for parameters and validate them with if %1 == go to usage. Use for /f to iterate file lists and delayed expansion, setlock'll enable delayed expansion when changing variables inside loops. Apply set/a for calculations and if exist for file checks. Once the logic behaves, modularize with labels, and call so sections remain readable and reusable in other scripts. You finish by adding logging, error codes, and automation. Redirect output with logfile, txt, and append errors using 2n1, then return meaningful exit/b codes for calling processes. Once stable, schedule with Task Scheduler or shtasks to run unattended. Test edge cases and validate behavior on a clean account. If something fails, the key troubleshooting tip: rerun the script from an interactive elevated CMD to see real-time errors and confirm path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.